Do you think you are too young to join the life leadership movement? Are you a victim of I am too young syndrome? So yesterday I spoke about I am too old syndrome. Today I am going to share what I call I am too young syndrome. I get asked this question a number of times. When can I start my company? Am I too young to start a business? Today we are in times of abundance of data, information and knowledge, and everyone has equal access to this, no matter what your age is. We are in times where even school and college students are creating disruptions in various fields. One such example is founder and CEO of Oyo Rooms, Ritesh Agarwal. He dropped out of college when he was 17 and he started to pursue his dream of being an entrepreneur. That is how Oyo was started. Today he is 25 and Oyo Rooms is the largest branded chain of hotels in India. It's also one of the top 5 hotel chains in China. There are a number of cases of 13, 14, 15-year-old kids who are doing amazing stuff and starting their own companies and their ventures and running it successfully. One such example is 13-year-old Tilak Mehta, who has collaborated with Dabbawalas to start his venture. There's another 13-year-old tech prodigy, Tanmay Bakshi. He is taking IBM and artificial intelligence by the storm. Then there is another 13-year-old, Ishaan Patel, who's the CEO of a company called Planting Pencils, an organization that is helping children across the world to get access to quality education. Now these success stories are just the tip of the iceberg. And looking at them, do you really think you are too young to take responsibility of your life at 20, 25 or 30? Take responsibility. Take charge of your life now. Start right now. Take the first step today. You are never ever too young to be self-accountable for your life. This is Life Leadership Movement inspiring each one of you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.